Let's see how we can use the GESTEP function in Google Sheets. We have the GESTEP function Google Sheet open, and it has the data template we require. In column A, we have the actual value, which can be a number, positive or negative, date, or floating point numbers. In column B, we have target value. And in column C, we want the status, that is, target met, or target not met, so the status will be equal to target met, if the actual value is greater than or equal to target value, and status will be equal to target not met, if the actual value is less than target value. So, if the actual value is greater than, or equal to the target value, the status will be target met. If the actual value is less than the target value, the status will be target not met. To get this, we'll use the GESTEP function, which returns 0 or 1 depending on input. It takes value and optional step as arguments. An example is shown. For our case, the value is the actual value given in column A. So we will write equal to GESTEP, value is A2, comma, step is the target value, given in B column, so B2. Let's autofill the data. We will get a 1 value, if the actual value is greater than, or equal to the target value. And we will get a 0 value, if the actual value is less than the target value. So, now to get the status as text, target met, or target not met, we can use the switch function. Expression will be the GESTEP expression. Case 1 will be 1. Value 1 will be in quotes target met. Comma, case 2 will be 0. Value 2 will be in quotes target not met. Let's drag the formula from the C2 cell to the C13 cell. We can even do a conditional formatting. Let's select the C2 to C13 range. Head to the Format tab, and select Conditional Formatting. In the Format rules, we will select Text is exactly, and we will give the value as target met. Let's select the color we want to fill in the cells where this condition is met. Let's hit Done. We will add another rule for the same C2 to C13 range. And format rules again will be, text is exactly, and the value will be, target not met. Let's select the color we want to fill in the cells where this condition is met. Let's close the conditional format rules. We see that whenever we get the status, target met, we have the green color, and whenever we have the status, target not met, we have the red color. We will get the status, target met, only when the actual value is greater than the target value, or the actual value is equal to the target value. We will get the status, target not met, only when the actual value is less than the target value. "15 is less than 20, so target not met. -20 is less than -10, so target not met. 28th of February 2025 is less than 1st of March 2025, so target not met. 2.5 is less than 5.5, so target not met. 10 is greater than 5, so target met. 30 is equal to 30, so target met. -5 is greater than -10, so target met. -40 is equal to -40, so target met. 5 March 2025 is greater than 2 March 2025, so target met. 4th of March 2025 is equal to 4th of March 2025, so target met. 1.5 is greater than 0.5, so target met. 8.5 is equal to 8.5, so target met. With this, we have successfully learned how to use the GESTEP function in Google Sheets. Thank you for your time. Please like, share, and subscribe if this video was useful.